student, today we are going to learn NCERT example problem. It is a ninth chapter, it's the fourth problem. From ray optics, it is a fourth problem we are going to do in a physics class 12. Okay, if you want more video example and exercise means you can go and see in my playlist. I am given all the example and exercise problem. Okay, it is a very long problem, but it's a easy explanation only. Okay, so consider one person is sitting inside the car. Okay, is sitting inside the car, is looking with the side mirror. Okay, side mirror means it's a convex mirror, is looking with the side mirror. Okay, the object is it at some distance, it is a moving object. The object velocity is given as a 5 meter per second, which is given in the question. Okay, the object velocity is 5 meter per second. He is sitting inside the car, using of side mirror is looking that object. Okay, car side mirror is a convex mirror, that you need to know. Okay, now the radius of the curvature of the mirror is going to be 2 meter. When the radius of the curvature is 2 meter, r is equal to 2f. So focal length, we can get focal length is equal to r divided by 2, that's going to be 2 divided by 2, which we are going to get as a 1 meter. So convex length, focal length is going to be the 1 meter. Okay, and they want what is velocity of the object with different position. So they want velocity at the different position. Okay, the object is moving 5 meter per second. Okay, they are given that position also. First they given the 39 meter. Okay, second they are given 29 meter from the convex mirror. So that's going to be the object distance, 29 meter. Third one they are given as 19 meter. Okay, and fourth one is 9 meter. So they want so in this particular location, what is the velocity? What is the velocity of the object? Okay, first we will discuss one by one. Convex lens. Okay, first you need to know convex lens property. So convex lens, no, it is focal length is going to be the positive. Object distance. Okay, one of the convex lens, we have only one case in convex lens, a convex mirror. When the object is placed like that, parallel ray will be reflect away from the principal focus, center ray will be reflecting like this. Okay, so both will be converged here. Okay, the image will be formed at this point. So object distance is going to be u, image distance we can take it as a v. So it is upright, virtual, erect, that's a different story. U is going to be the negative, because always whatever case u is going to be the negative. Okay, the object distance will be negative. What about the image distance? Image distance is going to become as a positive. Okay, because when the object is formed right side, object is placed left side the principal focus, image is formed right side the principal focus. Okay, this condition is constant for convex mirror. Okay, that is another thing. Now we are going to do with the problem. Okay, for the first case, object is placed at the distance of, it is 39 meter, which is given in the question. I am taken minus 39. Already I told image distance always you should take it as a negative. Focal length we can take it as a 1 meter, which is positive. I know the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is a mirror formula. Now I am going to write one of the general formula which is going to be used all the cases. So 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. Why I am doing like that? Because using of this formula without using sign convention, I am solving the, I am simplifying the formula. So u minus f is equal to, divided by f into u is equal to 1 by v. If you want v, flip the equation. So v is equal to f into u divided by u minus f. This is the v equation. So now I got what is a v equation. Okay, once I got v equation, this same formula I can use it all the place. First I will place the v distance. Okay, v is equal to u into f divided by u minus f. In first case, what is u? U is going to be minus 39. What is f? F is going to be 1 meter. So finally we will get minus 39 into 1 divided by minus 39 minus 1. So I am finding what is a v. Okay, initially what is the image distance, image distance. Okay, So I can get what is the v distance. So minus 39 divided by minus 40. So plus plus will get, so plus 39 divided by 40, it is the initially image distance. Okay. So then what I am going to do initially, okay, it's a moving object, so 2 position we will get. Okay. Then I know velocity is 5 meter per second. For time is 1 second. Okay. For time is 1 second, how much distance will be there? So v is equal to distance by time. Okay, if you want distance, distance is equal to velocity into time. So velocity is how much? 5. Time is how much? 1. So we'll have, this is a 5 meter. Okay, the displacement will be happen with 5 meter for 1 second. Okay. Next to what I am going to do is, now I am going to find what is the image distance. Image distance initially we have taken 39 meter, but now the object is moving object. Okay. So plus 5 meter for after 1 second. Okay. So it is from mirror, it is 39 meter. Okay. So it is moving object. Okay. Then after 1 second, it will become as a 34 meter. I hope you understand. Why it is a minus 34 centimeter? Because it's a moving object. Okay. Now u is going to be minus 34 for 1 second, 34 meter. Okay. Because I added with 5 meter because velocity in 1 second 5 meter will be there. Okay. Now what is a v final? V is equal to u into f divided by u minus f. Now what is u? After 1 second the u is changed. So minus 34 into minus 1 divided by minus 34 minus 1. So I will get v final is equal to minus 34 divided by minus 35. So I will get, finally it is going to be 34 by 35. So I will repeat again the same concept. The object at initial position 39 divided by 40. It is plus, v distance is plus. Already I told you v distance is going to be plus. Okay. V at final after moving with 5 meter. Okay, after 1 second this is going to happen 34 divided by 35. Now see here I am going to measure what is the changing distance. Okay, what is the changing distance of image? Okay, so changing distance we can take it as a shift also. Okay, initial and final position image distance we can take it as a change in distance. So v final minus v initial minus v final, because initial is greater than final. Okay, this is going to be 39 divided by 40 minus 34 divided by 35. Okay, if you are doing LCM you can do like this, 40 into 35. So the same calculation, 39 into 35 minus 34 into 40. Okay, if you are doing this calculation, we will get as a 5 divided by, it's very simple, 5 divided by 1400. Okay, if you are cancelling this, 1 divided by 280. Okay, what it is? 1 divided by 280. Okay, it is a changing distance. Okay, changing distance, dx also we can take it. Okay, shifting distance. Okay, for 1 second. Okay, 280 meter. Okay, so shifting distance is 280 meter for 1 second. Now velocity is equal to displacement by time. What is our displacement? 1 divided by 280. What is our timing? We have taken as a 1 second. So finally velocity I will get 1 divided by 280 meter per second. This is a first case. Okay, now second case I am going to do. Okay, so how I am going to do with the second case? Also second case also same way we can do it. Okay, second case first we will see image distance. U is going to be taken as a minus 29. Okay, u is always negative only, minus 29 centimeter. Okay. So we know f is equal, v is equal to v initial position, u f divided by u minus f. What is u? Minus 29. What is f? 1. Minus 29 minus 1, because f is going to be 1 meter. Okay, u is given in the problem in a second case 29 meter. Okay, so initially the object distance is going to be minus 29 divided by minus 30. The answer is going to be 29 divided by 30. Okay, minus minus will get cancelled. Now this formula already I told you how to find. Okay, now what we can find? No, after 1 second, after the time is 1 second, after 1 second the image position minus 29 plus 5, because the velocity is 5 meter per second. After 1 second the displacement is going to be 5 meter. Okay, the displacement is going to be 5 meter. Okay, so 29 plus 5 will get us minus 24. It is a image position after 1 second. Okay, now final position of the image, it is object position after 1 second. If you want image position after 1 second means this going to happen. So minus 24 into 1 divided by minus 24 minus 1. It's same repeating the concept, but here it is a distance is 29. Okay, we'll get minus 24 divided by minus 25. So minus minus it get cancelled. So final image at final distance is going to be 24 divided by 25. Now changing distance, it's how much is shifting for 1 second. Initially, we initial image position initial minus image position final. Okay, image position initially what I told, see here we calculated. Okay, image position 29 by 30. So 29 divided by 30 minus image position final. Okay, what is the final value? 24 divided by 25. Okay, now we should to take the LCM. So 30 into 25. So here we will get like this. Now cross multiplication, 29 into 25 minus 24 into 30, just like a opposite multiplication, that's it. Okay, now what we are going to get? So you can do this calculation using a calculator if you want, otherwise you can do like a direct calculation you can do. Okay, so this I will get 725 minus 720 divided by 30 into 25. Okay, which is easy only. This is 5 divided by remaining thing. This is going to be change in distance. 5 divided by, so 30 divided by 25. 30 into 25. So this get cancelled 5 times. So 1 divided by 150. It is only meter. If you want velocity, velocity is equal to changing distance by time. Time we are taken was 1 second. 150 meter per second. It's very simple. Okay. Now I am going to do with the third case. Okay, everything is similar only the length is getting changed. NCERT is not given as a. Now I am going to do with the third case. Okay, third case is given as a 19 meter. So image distance is 19 meter minus 19 meter. Okay, now object distance V is equal to, it is object distance. Object is placed at 19 meter. Now image position. Initial position and final position both we are going to find u into f divided by u minus f. It's going to be minus 19 into 1 divided by minus 19 minus 1. So the answer I'll get minus 90. V initial, it's minus 19 divided by minus 20. We'll get 19 by 20. Okay. Now V final we are going to do. Okay. Image position at final distance after 1 second. When time is 1 second, the displacement will be 5 meter. Okay, so this going to move towards the mirror side. The image is going to move towards the mirror side 5 meter. Okay, initially we know it's 19. Okay, minus 19 plus 5 will now it's going to be the 14 meter. Finally, the object distance is going to become as 14 meter. Okay, after 1 second. Now image position. Okay, image position. It's finally it's V into F divided by U into F divided by U minus F. What is U now? Minus 14. F is 1 meter. Minus 14 minus 1. So I'll get minus 14 divided by minus 15. Okay. If you are doing this calculation, I will get V final is going to be 14 divided by 15. Initial we know it's going to be 19 divided by 20. Okay. Now changing distance. Changing distance is going to be V initial minus V final. Okay. V initial 19 divided by 20. V final 14 divided by 15. Okay. If you are taken LCM of this 20 into 15, 19 into 15 minus 14 into 20. Okay. So this calculation what I can get, it is 5 divided by 20 into 15. Okay, if you are doing calculation, we will get this going to be 3. 3 into 20 will have 1 by 60 as a changing distance. Okay, if you want velocity, velocity is 1 divided by 60 meter per second because time is 1 second. Displacement is this much. Displacement by 1 second will get velocity as a 1 divided by 60 meter per second. Okay, again third case. Third case is this also will be very simple. Case, fourth case. Okay. Fourth case, the distance they are taken as 9 meter. Object distance is 9 meter. Okay. So F is equal to, V dash is V initial is equal to U into F divided by U minus F. That's going to be minus 9 divided by minus 10 because f is equal to minus 1. Okay, I got V initial. So, U initially 9 meter, finally minus 9 plus 5. I will get as a minus 4 meter. Okay. So, if you want V final, image final, okay, it is going to be minus 4 into 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 1. So, I will get minus 4 divided by minus 5. It is very simple. So, changing distance is going to be V initial minus V final. V initial, we know it is 9 divided by 10. V final, we know it is going to be 4 divided by 5. Next, cancellation. Okay. So, next step we are going to do with the common LCM. So, changing distance we are going to take it as common LCM is 10 into 5. Okay. So, 9 into 5 minus 4 into 10. Okay. So, it is going to be 45 minus 40 divided by 50. So, we will get 5 divided by 50. Okay, 5 divided by 50. So, we will get 1 divided by 10. So, changing distance, it is going to be 1 divided by 10 meter. Velocity is equal to changing distance by time period. Changing distance 1 divided by 10, time period is 1 second. So, we will get 1 divided by 10 meter per second. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more video, example and exercise problem means go and check it in my playlist. I am given all the problems. Thank you everyone.